Hi, everybody. Welcome back. I'd like to talk to you guys a little bit about um, faculty welfare at Freedom High School. Um, so today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the face shields that you received and dues and what we do. So first thing wanted to talk to you guys about, especially for the newbies, is what Freedom Faculty Welfare does. And we give gifts for well cards if you're sick, sympathy, congratulatory gifts for people who have babies, gratitude gifts for secretaries and custodians, retiree cards with a monetary gift as well. We usually have a social picnic in the beginning of the school year, but considered the circumstances, we bought you guys face shields instead. We usually have a party, especially last year we had a Christmas party and it went really awesome. And we also have the soda machine in the faculty lounge, so feel free to buy soda from that because it benefits faculty welfare. Last year, like I said, we had a Christmas party. We gave snacks to people for their birthday and just, if they needed a little extra boost. We had lunch every month. We had a pumpkin patch family day. And we still have the staff shout out board in the mailroom, which please use because it's awesome. Everybody's going to need some extra boosts this school year. And we have to be prepared for the ups and downs of what is to come. So what better way to do that than to just give some positive shout outs to some people as we navigate this new way of teaching. Everybody received a face shield. Sorry. And first, if you got more than one, you have to return them. You should only get one right now. If people need extra, we could look into maybe purchasing some more. But this morning when the girls were putting them in the mailboxes, some teachers might have picked one up out of the box, but you also received one in your mailbox, and now we're short a few. And I ordered 180, and that should have covered everybody, plus gave us a little extra. So you're probably receiving an email right now, but if you could just hand those in, that'd be great because we need to give to a couple more people. But anyway, so you received a sticker that you could put across the top. So it doesn't say face shield anymore. And then on both sides, there's film that you have to remove. Otherwise, it looks extremely foggy. And again, this is not to replace a mask. You need to wear a mask that covers your nose and mouth, but this actually protects your eyes. So people who don't have glasses, this probably might be a good idea. But again, you don't have to wear it. And if you absolutely don't want to wear it, you can, put it back in my mailbox, or you can keep it just in case a student needs or wants something for their eyes, or is nervous, or has anxiety about being here, and maybe this can help them help them feel a little better. So that's that. This year's dues are $20, and you can either turn cash or check into me or Nikki, and you can also Venmo me the money. And we still plan on giving out snacks, and I'm going to send out a Google document or Google form, and you guys can fill in if you want new snacks, or especially the new teachers, I need to know what snack and drink you like and when your birthday is. So I think that's it. If anybody has any questions, you can email me or text me, or stop by room 235 because that's where I'm located. I wish everybody the best of luck, and definitely be a support to each other, and help each other out. And I'm looking forward to this school year. I'm hoping for some positive things to happen. And so thanks a lot for supporting the faculty welfare program. We did awesome last year. We were onto some really awesome things until we had to leave on March 13th. So hopefully we'll be able to continue to support you guys. And if anybody has any ideas on how to be a better support system, if we end up going virtually, please feel free to email me and with your ideas. That would be great. All right. Thanks a lot.